Hi, it's Pip Mackay here, and it's day 11 of my 40-day quest to write my book. And you might be thinking, I think Pip's in her dressing gown, and if you did think that, you would be right, because it's actually 4:36 in the morning, and I'm sharing with you temptation, which is the part of the hero's journey on the road of tests and trials. And it is, after meeting the goddess, then you have temptation. So temptation is that moment where you are tempted to stop your hero's journey. And I wanted to share this part with you. Obviously, it's tempting not to, because this is kind of a part where you're vulnerable. But I wanted to share it with you because everybody who goes through doing something that's really important to them, or something that is a transformation or a change or something that's outside their comfort zone, they're going to go through this phase of temptation. And it's good to know that everybody goes through this phase, no matter who they are or what they're doing. If they're doing something that is outside their comfort zone, or they're doing something which is big for them, and it might not be big for somebody else, but it's big for them, then you're on a hero's journey. And when you're doing that, you'll always have this temptation not to continue, to stop, because it's not easy. No. And it's been particularly not easy for me because I had the room next door to me painted, and because I've been feeling so healthy and well, I totally forgot that I have such an allergic reaction to paint. And also I've been spending a lot of time in front of the computer, and my eyes are really sore. So of course it's tempting not to continue. And I just want you to know that the great thing is that when you know the hero's journey, you know that this temptation is going to be here. In fact, this part of the hero's journey has been a part of it for thousands upon thousands of years. And you might think, well, Pip, that's just part of a story, of a myth. But of course it's a myth that's been popular for literally thousands and thousands of years, because it reflects the human condition. It reflects what we all go through, and that's why we love a hero's journey, because, and often because of this point of temptation, is the hero or the heroine going to continue, or is she or he going to stop at this moment in time? And you might think, oh, well, it's all right for Pip, you won't stop or whatever. And I doubt that I will stop, because I'm very tenacious. But I want you to know that it is a choice point, and it's a choice point that we all face every time we do something that is extraordinary for us, even if it's not extraordinary for other people. Now, of course, I've written other stuff before. I've written 2 chapters in 2 best-selling books. I've written e-books, I've written longer books, storybooks. There's all sorts of things that I've written, but of course I've never written a book as long as this in 40 days. And it is a real choice. Of course I could make my excuses and stop. So let's see what I do and what I do next to do this. And if you've ever woken up in the middle of the night or 4 o'clock in the morning and thought, oh, do other people do this? Yes, they do. They do. And it's just, what do we do about it? Not whether we're going through what is normal or the normal human experience when we go through these situations, but what we do about it next. Okay, I'll speak with you soon. Bye.